Celink Limited was established in 2004. Since our establishment, we've been focusing on electronic consumer products, smart home, and energy storage system, including technology R&D and manufacturing. Celink was listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in China in 2019. Stock code 300787. Celink Vietnam production base was established and mass-produced in December 2018. Located in Van Trung Industrial Zone, Bac Giang Province, Vietnam, with a superior location. 35 kilometers from Hanoi Airport, 70 kilometers from Haiphong Port, 32 kilometers from Haiyang Factory, forming the best transportation hub for land, sea, and air transportation. The main product series of Celink Vietnam are cable, hub and docking station, travel charger, power sockets and power strips, gaming power, portable power station, smart cleaning, and smart home security become the first choice and trustworthy partner of many international customers. Celink Vietnam factory covers a total area of 91,451 square meters. The construction area is 59,745 square meters. Specifically, 6 production workshops, 1 warehouse, and 1 office building. The Vietnam production base currently has 4,500 employees and can accommodate up to 6,000 people. Modern and synchronized production supply chain. There are 84 assembly lines in the Vietnam production base, including 48 cable production and assembly lines, with a monthly production capacity of 5.4 million pieces. 20 signal product assembly lines with a monthly production capacity of 2.1 million pieces. 16 power product assembly lines with a monthly production capacity of 2.8 million pieces. At the same time, we have supporting vertical integration and deep processing of main components. 20 SMT production lines with a monthly production capacity of 6.2 million PCBAs. 72 stranding machines with a monthly production capacity of 7.02 million meters. To strengthen its vertical integration capabilities, the Vietnam factory has added a new interjection molding workshop and equipment. The workshop now has 16 interjection molding machines with a maximum tonnage of 320 tons. In the future, the factory in Haiyang will be expanded to 160 units. Now we have the ability to provide mold maintenance and processing, interjection molding, silk screen printing, laser carving, gong holes, baking, cut of optimal delivery time and cost optimization. It has more than 20 automated production lines for various types of products, such as Apple Automatic Production Line, Type C, HDMI, and other high-speed line automatic machines. To ensure stable and efficient output, we have evident advantages in delivery time, with the ability to manufacture small batches of multi-category products, and the flexibility of production capacity of the same process is achieved. We persevere to take the development path of quality and efficiency, and have set up a complete system of quality control and management. We guarantee the reliability. We have 61 items of product testing abilities to make sure that our product quality would reach the domestic and international advanced levels. Our company has acquired the Certificate of Quality Management System. And a series of customer system certifications. Our commitment to quality is supported by our most advanced warehouse managed systems, such as MES, PDA, ensuring the first in, first out material input management. We persistently strengthen our technical capabilities, combining leading-edge technology with high-quality products to win the trust of our customers. Combining innovation and precision, supported by quality and service, join us on our journey of excellence. to redefine the future of electronic manufacturing. Celink Vietnam.